is soft and Thai. Pero if you're lady boy, don't worry. Don't accept it. Okay? Sawadi ha. And you can say sawadi ha.
And here are the activities that we will explore today. This tour was booked through Klook for only 1,300 pesos. If you're interested in this tour, I'll post the link on the description below.
Hey, we're here at Maeklong Station. And we'll ride a train. Kami sa tren. What's up PNR? What's up LRT? What's up MRT?
Market is one of the biggest, busiest, and famous markets in Thailand. The market offers a different kind of dry and wet goods. At syempre, dapat marunong ka rin tumawad.
We're here at Maeklong Market.
Vendors are very friendly. They even give you discount right ahead even though you're just checking the price of their goods. Commonly, they sell random stuff ranging from figurine display, shirts, bags, dried fruits, wallets, scarf, keychain, fresh fruits, and many more. Of course, price range here in the market is ranging from mid to high. Founded in 1905, the market became well known for its passing by train. Medyo nakakatakot lang pag dumaan ng tren. Pero may mga maliliit na spasyo naman na pwede mong pagtaguan. On this clip, kamunti ka na tuloy akong mahagip ng tren. Buti na lang nakapagtago agad ako. Ito ay kilala rin bilang sa tawag na life risking or umbrella pull-down market. Dahil once na dumaan na ang tren, ang mga tindahan na nakapaligid dito ay parang mga payong na nagtutupian.
Here at Saduak Floating Market. Oh my god!
Here we are, Damnoen Saduak Floating Market. And this is the boat I will be using to explore the entire market. This canal was built on the royal initiative of King Rama IV. The floating market is full with tourists and locals, kaya minsan ang mga goods dito ay medyo overpriced. But there's no problem if you're good in bargaining.
Yummy.
Kami? Kabang kami?
Of course, trinay din natin ang ilan sa kanilang authentic food. Coconut ice cream, pork skewer, and authentic Thai noodles.
Yummy.
Unlike the Maeklong Market, here, they commonly sell dry goods, such as bags, wood carved figure in display, slippers, hats, paintings, printed shirts, and many more. It's break time! Siyempre, mawawala ba sa listahan natin ang kanilang famous Thai milk tea?
Yummy.
We're here at the Hidden Temple.
The temple dates way back from Ayutthaya era. The temple also served as an army camp base for the Siamese after the Burmese overrun the Ayutthaya in 1767.
Ito ang pangalan nito.
This historical site is well known for its life-size Thai boxing statues. To count, there are nearly 100 plus statues that poses at different Muay Thai techniques. This is by far one of the most iconic temples here in Thailand. The entire temple was covered up by Bodhi tree. Entering the temple, you will be greeted by the famous golden Nila Mani Buddha. Ito na ang last stop ng ating trip, Asiatique the riverfront. If you're into quality shopping, Asiatique is the one for you. You can roam around the area and wander through its 1,500 stalls. It's hard to say goodbye, pero dito na nga nagtatapos ang ating one-day Thailand adventure. But coming right up, we will explore the iconic and historical temples here in Thailand. For more travel gala vlog, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka na rin sa aking mga upcoming vlogs. Lastly, hit mo na rin ang like button and share this vlog to your friends. Bye!